2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, security system, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.